Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is a video about the use, design and the manufacture of our Bellamy potting table. So you can see me here using it. So whenever you're potting, it's easy to make a mess, but this keeps all your compost right where you need it. You put the seeds in and you can cover it over the top and you don't make no mess. There's a handy shelf below for any bags of compost, and it's made from galvanised steel and suitable to be out in all weathers. So here's Josh in our design department. So this is a 3D render after design stage. You can see here Peter loading a sheet of metal into our cutting machine, and it cuts with very high accuracy and high speed. You can see the detail in the text that it's cutting now, and it comes out fantastic. And next we have Stuart in the folding department, folding it into shape to get its strength. We also print the labels and we manufacture the packaging on demand as well. So we have a high speed cardboard carton cutting machine which cuts lines and creases the corners as well, which we do design. You can see a high quality label applied and a quick breakdown of how we package it. We limit our use of plastic as far as we can. It slipped into the box and it's super high quality, and we even use our own printed tape, so we're not using too many plastics. So the whole thing designed and manufactured in the UK, and we hope you like our video. And here it is going out on a pallet of product with DPD, who we're currently using. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let us know.